1964 Volkswagen. Really good looking car. Car was restored over 10 years ago. It's a garage kept car, of course, and you know, it's a really nice driver. Really presentable, really good looking car. Everything works, all the lights, the radio does not work. Lights, windshield wipers, runs and drives really well. It's lowered a little bit. It's a California car. See, it's, you know, it's lowered. Really cool looking. A few little imperfections, you know, right here. But I mean, overall, it's really, really nice. I'm trying to think of anywhere else. Over here. Grip rails are nice, both sides. Got this right here next to the door. But I mean, it's a good looking ride. Show you guys the interior. This door handle is kind of sticky. You kind of have to adjust it a little bit for it to open from here, but it opens from the inside fine. Interior is really nice. Door panels, all the interior was redone. Got a nice color combination. Like I said, all the lights work, the windows, shift's nice. I got some recent maintenance work that was recently done to it. It's missing the headliner, but I do have the headliner brand new, just needs to be installed. Seats are perfect. It's got a newer carpet kit. Show you the motor. It's got a little bit of an oil leak, a few drips coming from the bottom, but I mean, other than that, it runs really nice. Doesn't smoke, starts right up. You can get on a freeway and cruise 55, 60 miles an hour, no problems. We'll open up the front trunk in a second. Yeah, it looks great, you know, the color combo, the way it sits. It's a 1600 motor. Open up the hood. All the gauges work. Try and get you under a little bit. It's pretty low, but it's clean underneath. No rust or anything like that. No rot. Yeah, sweet ride. 64 Beetle. Store works just fine inside, outside. Like I said, interior's in really good shape. She's the headliner. I have the headliner. She's to be installed. Show you that oil leak real quick. horrible, but it's there. Something to note. All right, that's it. Hope you liked the video. God bless.